get started with greenbuzzbook.com. This is a platform to help people move towards a sustainable world by connecting eco-minded people. The members of this platform would act as a change agents in the real world. So this is your login page of greenbuzzbook.com. So here you can see three tabs: create new account, login, and request new password. As I'm a new member of this particular website, I'm going to create a new account. So let me have a username, email address. So let me get the email address and password. Again, the password again. So first name, last name, okay, then the date of birth, okay. Coming down, we have gender. Let's start. Okay, here we have primary eco-interest and secondary eco-interest. So this helps to collaborate with like-minded people to bring necessary changes in particular area of interest. So here you can see the drop down menu, we have 10 broad categories. So you can select the primary eco-interest, and the same 10 broad categories are being there in secondary eco-interest also. So you can select some of them, say oceans and fisheries. So coming to the eco status here in the drop down menu, this would be the first step for better connection of like-minded people to work together on green initiatives. So we have deeply, moderately, and slightly interested and involved. So let me select one of them, and then coming to the usual terms and conditions, then the code. So let me and say create new account. So this would take to the front page of the greenbuzzbook.com. When I go here, so you can see this is the front page where you have some blogs and forums where you can have a general discussion, or if you want to create your own blog, you can create your own blog. So before going to the blogs and forums, let us see how to manage our own account. So here on the right top corner you have my account. If you click on that link, so here you can see your username, your first name, last name, whatever the information as usual. Then if you want to edit it, that's nothing but changing the password, and if you want to upload your picture, so you can all do that in edit. Now coming to the relationships here, now if you want to create if you want to have a relationship with an EcoBuddy member, that's nothing but the friends, usually we call it friends, so that you can create it and using this particular tab. Now initially I am a new member now and I don't have any relationship yet, so let me go to some user first. Let me show you how to create a relationship. So let me take, okay, this is one of the member. Let me say search. Now let me go to the users, as it is not a content and it's a user. So let me select one of them, appropriate one. So it's a Tess Green, with whom I want to create a relationship. Now this is a profile of the Tess Green. So his name, first name, last name, and the details about that. And coming down you have relationship actions. Now if I want to become a buddy of the Tess Green, so let me say become Tess Green Eco Buddy. Now it will say you want to send a request. Yes, I'm going to send the request. Now let me go to my relationships and see what is the status there. Now you can see here received request and sent request. So as I have sent a request to the Tess Green, so I'll get the details about whom I have sent, the relationship, and the operation. So if you say that Tess Green, so there was a mismatch, or it is not a correct user where you want to create a relationship, you can cancel at any point of time. And then somebody has sent a request to you, those will come and store it and receive requests where you can accept those requests. Now this is about creating a relationship with whomever you want to. Just It's a simple one. Now let us go to the front page again and see here you have many blogs and topics. Now I want to create a blog in this particular website. Now let me go to the blogs, which is on the right, on the left, left tab. So you can go and have a create new blog entry here. Now I have chosen some topic. Let me just have the same topic there. So I've chosen our oceans are being plundered. So this is a topic which I want to create a blog now. Now let me have a body content to that, and if I have any image to upload for that particular content, I can upload it. Otherwise, now at present I don't want to, so let me save it. Okay, let me go and see if it is on my front page. Yes, so this is my blog. You can see my username, the time, date, and if anybody wants to comment on your blog, they can just add a new comment there. And then if you want to add any comment, let us go down and see what, oh, here I have it. So let me add some comment on this particular topic, that is deforestation. So let me go to add a comment. So this is a comment which, this is a blog which some user has been already posted, so I can read, I can see the image, and now I want to have the comment. So say climate change is my subject. So say because of the deforestation, the climate change is happening. You can say, so you can say effect of, so let me change the topic, like effect of deforestation. That will be the better one. So forestation, right? So now coming down, this is a small comment which I have done. So let me save it. Okay, now you can see here I have added a comment, the subject and the content, and anybody can reply, and if you want to edit, you can edit at any point of time. Now coming back to the main page, you can see this is about a blog. Now we have seen the blogs, how to post it and how to comment on a particular blog. Now here if you go, you have a second topic, say forum. So forum is a general discussion on a particular topic. So when you click on that forum, already there is one topic which is discussion is going on, and you can say, you can select that. Okay, you can read that particular forum. Okay, it says indoor air pollution. So now if I want to again comment on that, or if I want to do something, I can add a comment again and say save. So this is about just some blogging and forums. And apart from that, you also have a recent comment. That's nothing but you have many topics which are going on, or hot discussions which are going on, which you cannot see on the front page. You can just go say all recent comments, or recent comments and authors, and if you want to edit, you can go just click on this and say comment, and you can comment on that particular thing. Apart from that, you can also see your recent comments which you have blogged and which you have commented, or which you have done anything on that. This is about your recent comment. So, and as usual, with you can see on the right side you have who's online. That's nothing but the members of this particular Green Bus Book who's online, and you want to discuss about some hot topic which is going on. You can have them. You can have a discussion. So this is about a Green Bus Book, a small website. And please actively participate and motivate your friends to join this platform. Thank you.